Hello folks and welcome to TheRedCyberGlass. If you don't know me, my name is Andrea and today I'm here to show you and explain to you how to synchronize a video clip together with an audio clip. So basically when you need them to match, to be synchronized. We will go through the things you need, very easy actually, and then I will explain to you how to do it in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so stay with me until the end, because at the end of the video there will be a little pro tip, very useful, that will make your life easier when you are gonna shoot another video or you're gonna edit it. Okay? Let's get started. Okay guys, so the things you need of course are the original video clip with the old and ugly audio track you want to remove, and the brand new audio track with a good microphone that you want to synchronize with your video. Of course you need also the project, the Premiere Pro project already opened with a file already imported into it. So when the things are important and you have put your audio and video file into the timeline, this is the situation that you will find. So you have basically the original video clip with the original audio that of course will have a different length compared to the good microphone that you have used. So to synchronize, the process is very simple. So first you select the good audio track, you hold shift in your keyboard and you click on the video clip. Okay, so in this way both the lines, both the tracks are selected. Now you click on right click into this, that you look for synchronize in the menu, and yes, basically this is done. Select audio and press OK. At this point the software is simply automatically processing the synchronizing. As you can see, also visually, they are perfectly synchronized. So let's check if it is actually synchronized.
Spike there. So guys, this tutorial,
yeah, as I can confirm, as we can see, the video is perfectly synchronized with a good audio track. At this point, if you want to polish a little bit the timeline, what you do is you select the video clip, you right click, you unlink audio with video. So you select the audio track number 1 and you press delete, poof, so it's gone. Now, without touching, moving anything from your timeline, simply you select the video, you hold shift and you select the audio track, right click into them and click link. Good. Now they are basically glued together, so wherever you move them they stay together and your audio and video are still synchronized.
this video is actually a video test,
as I said. Good. Pro tip. So when you are shooting, before start shooting, or actually after you press record, before actually start talking, one suggestion is clap your hand in front of the microphone. In this way you will generate a visual spike into your timeline. Actually this one that is visible here, correct. And this visual spike is going to be really helpful when you will be in the editing process, because you can easily identify where is the start of your take, and you can cut from there and you can scroll through it forward and backwards to find what is the good take without wasting a lot of time. That's it. Alright guys, I really hope that you have found this video useful. If you have any doubts, question, comments, requests, whatever it is, just drop me a comment down below in the video. And if you want to stay in touch with me for the future, remember to click the notification bell so that you can be notified all the time I upload a new video. That's it. Very simple. Okay? Guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you all the best and I will see you maybe into the next video. Ciao!